Thank you for tuning in. You are about to hear 10 things I want you to know about AI. I have done this entire project with the assistance of Chat GPT and Google DeepMind. AI is here. You can choose to adopt it, ignore it, or try to destroy it. Here are 10 ways to frame your mind around how you can leverage AI in your personal or professional life. 1. AI as a teammate, not just a tool. Most people treat AI like a calculator or a search engine. Type something in, get something out. But the real magic happens when you treat it like a teammate. Teammates need feedback. They learn, adapt, and improve when you coach them. Do the same with AI, and you'll start seeing results that feel more collaborative, more human. This is easier said than done. Practice makes perfect. Pay attention to number 3-2. Closing the productivity gap. Less than 10% of professionals are truly getting massive gains from AI. Why? It's often because they stop at the first answer. Many haven't yet made AI part of their brainstorming or creative process. To close the gap, you need to ask follow-up questions, refine the results, and invite AI into your workflow early on. Third, let AI teach you. Here's the secret. AI can actually teach you how to use it. Instead of guessing prompts, ask directly, what extra details from me would help you give a stronger answer? Or, what's the best way someone in my role could work with you? Let the system guide you. You'll discover uses you never expected. This is the secret sauce. 4. Democratizing superpowers. Think about this. Winston Churchill had a personal speechwriter. You now have the same power in your pocket. That's the democratization of superpowers. But remember, access isn't equal. The real edge comes from how you use it, not just that you have it. This power isn't free. Expect to pay about $20 a month for basic access, and more if you're serious. With this great power comes the responsibility to use it wisely. 5. Guard your thoughtfulness. The major pitfall we can and will encounter is that AI sounds confident, even when it's wrong. If you just accept everything it says, you'll lose your ability to think critically. Guard your thoughtfulness. Always analyze, question, and verify before you accept an answer. At the end of the day, will you work for the machine, or will the machine work for you? 6. Empathy wins. In the AI era, what sets you apart isn't raw knowledge, it's empathy. Anyone can generate text, code, or ideas, but only you can care, connect, and create value and solve problems for others. The people who use AI to serve, not just to produce, will win. 7. Creativity is a discipline. A 7th grader once defined creativity as doing more than just the first thing you think of. That's brilliant. AI makes it easy to stop at good enough. Don't. Push for more options, more variation. Creativity isn't about sparks of genius. It's about discipline, iteration, and volume. 8. Education can't be outsourced. If you're a student or a parent, listen closely. Using AI to do your homework is like driving a car for exercise. Sure, it gets you there faster, but you lose the training your brain needs. Use AI to help you learn, not to replace learning. Language, logic, and problem solving are still your muscles to build. I can't overemphasize to any parents how pervasive this will become for our children. 9. Generate abundantly, test ruthlessly. One of the best ways to innovate with AI is to flood the zone with your ideas, and then test them. Find the flaws. The idea of using AI to criticize itself is a powerful one. You are now the judge, listening to 2 lawyers argue a case. 10. Stay a perpetual student. This is evolving daily, and it is moving at a speed we have not seen before. The best users of AI are the ones who stay curious, stay humble, and keep learning. I would challenge you to solve one problem with AI and bring it in early in the brainstorming process. Without you, these machines are only lights and clockwork. Which will you put into action today? I would love to tell you about the 7 things you should know to use AI like a pro. That will be another video. Tip 1 is to sign up for the premium service. One less Uber Eats a month will give you access to the most powerful technology since electricity.